Welcome to Instagram Content Strategy. In this video, we'll explore how to create diverse content types including photos, reels, and stories to maximize your engagement on Instagram. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your content game, this guide will help you understand the fundamentals of each content type and how to use them effectively. Instagram offers three main types of content that work together to build a strong presence. Photos are high-quality feed posts that form the foundation of your profile. Reels are short-form video content that the algorithm prioritizes heavily. Stories are temporary, behind-the-scenes content that keeps your followers connected daily. Each content type serves a different purpose and requires a different approach. Photos are the backbone of your Instagram feed. Use a resolution of 1080 by 1350 pixels to ensure quality. Always prioritize high resolution and keep a consistent visual style across all your photos. Strong composition matters because it's the first thing people notice when scrolling through feeds. Product showcases, behind-the-scenes moments, user-generated content, and educational carousel posts all work well as photo content. Editing is crucial for making your photos stand out. Adjust color and brightness to add visual pop to your images. Maintain consistent filters across posts so your profile has a cohesive look. When it comes to composition, use the rule of thirds and ensure your subjects are well framed for mobile viewing. Text overlays should be readable with proper contrast and use bold fonts. Keep text minimal and focus only on essential information. Popular editing tools include Adobe Lightroom, Canva, and VSCO for consistent editing workflows. Reels are short-form video content that Instagram prioritizes in its algorithm. They can range from 15 seconds to 90 seconds long. Use a 9:16 aspect ratio, which means vertical video format. Make sure your resolution is at least 1080 by 1920 pixels. The most important rule is to hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. Content ideas include trending audio with trending trends, quick tutorials and tips, before and after transformations, and trending challenges and formats. Creating Reels follows a structured process. First, plan and script your content. Decide on the concept, select trending audio, and plan your key shots. Next, film and capture your footage with good lighting and audio quality. Then edit and synchronize your clips, add effects, and sync everything with trending audio. Finally, add captions and relevant hashtags. Write engaging captions that encourage interaction and use hashtags that relate to your content and audience. Stories are ephemeral content that disappear after 24 hours. This makes them perfect for daily updates without worrying about cluttering your feed. Use the same 9:16 vertical aspect ratio as Reels. You can record up to 60 seconds per clip. Stories offer unique features like direct messaging that other content types don't have. You can share daily updates and announcements, behind-the-scenes moments, use polls and interactive stickers, or promote limited-time offers. To maximize your story's effectiveness, post 3 to 5 stories daily for a consistent presence without overwhelming followers. Use interactive elements like polls and questions to boost engagement and gather valuable feedback about what your audience wants. Always include a clear call to action to guide viewers. Tell them to click a link, send a direct message, or swipe up for a conversion. Build narrative arcs across multiple stories to keep followers interested and coming back for more. Planning ahead is essential for consistency. Create a content calendar and plan your posts 2 to 4 weeks in advance. Mix photos, reels, and stories to keep your content diverse. Balance promotional content with organic, authentic content to maintain audience trust. Track your posting times and monitor performance to understand what works best for your audience. Use scheduling tools like Later to automate posting. Create content in batches monthly to save time. Keep a spreadsheet for tracking and regularly analyze your insights to adjust your strategy based on what's working. Understanding your analytics helps you improve your strategy. Reach is the total number of unique users who see your content. Engagement includes likes, comments, shares, and saves. Click-through measures how many people click your links and visit your profile. Watch time shows how long viewers watch your videos. Saves indicate which content people bookmark for later viewing. Follower growth tracks your net new followers monthly. Monitor these metrics regularly to see which content resonates most with your audience. Let's recap the key points. Photos build your feed and establish your visual identity, so invest in quality. Reels boost the algorithm reach and engagement, making them essential for growth. Stories keep your followers connected daily and build community. Consistent planning and analytics drive growth over time. Success on Instagram comes from understanding each content type and how to use them together strategically. Start creating diverse content today and watch your engagement grow.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.